So it will be somewhere around 200 multiplied by 20. That means somewhere around $4,000. So system will not try to spend more than that $4,000. And remember that you already spent $1,000 for the first 10 days. So overall your budget can be somewhere around $5,000. Whereas you started your fixed budget somewhere around $100 per day, considering 30 days there, no more than $3,000 there. And you now you decided to increase the budget on 10th of the month, so your budget will be increased by that particular date there. So this is something like the system will try to increase or decrease the budget there. You can also increase or decrease the budget anytime. System will try to monitor, and system will try to adjust that one. But somehow the day you will be changing the budget, it will be functioning post that date. So when you are decreasing, the same way it also works. When you are increasing at the same day, for the same particular day, if you're just making multiple changes, then remember that the highest budget that you set, that will be the capped for that particular day. So that is something like I will just share some basic rule or the exact calculation there, where you'll be able to understand. But in a broader way, the thing is, like, if you are not making change into your budget and you are just constantly setting the budget, it will not go beyond the 30 days or 30.4 days multiplied by your daily budget. If you make changes, then the system will try to adjust that one. And there is obviously certain reasons, like you're not getting sales, and the system is trying to adjust the bids to just achieve your goals there, because you have given things in the system's hand. But if you are having a manual bidding, in that case, sometime it's more in your control. At least you are in control, the things are in control with the CPC there. Whereas if you are going with the target CPA or target ROS, then you don't have any control over actual CPC, because the system is now working based on getting the actual ROS for you. In that case, system can increase a bid for any particular keyword quite high to get it, because system analyze that this particular keyword converted at that particular time. So why not increase the bid? Which is fine, because you are just given control, and it works there. Think like a big advertiser where they have a lot of budget, they cannot maintain and they cannot manage the things there. So in that case, this kind of automation is quietly needed there. And there are a big brands and advertisers, they all use it. But a small advertiser, normally they just want to go and try at their own, so that they will not lost money, a lot of money in one go. So they just want to know and keep the control in their hand. So which is fine. Like, trial and testing is something that is needed. But if you know the basics, you will be able to test them. You will be able to test with certain test budget, that is called. So you can just try that one in automation with certain amount, a certain portion, and see if it works or not. It will mostly work there. So try that one. We will just discuss more things about the settings and all in the next lecture there. So let's sign off for now. And if you have any questions, if you have any comment, please send your comment. I will try to answer that one. Subscribe the channel to learn more about things. Things are now getting into more technicals, but don't worry. If you have any queries, you can ask, and I will try to cover these bidding strategies and budget and everything more in my next lecture, so that you can get clear there, because it's something that is an actual bidding system, actual auction model where everything works there. So obviously it will take some time, but keep learning, try understanding, get into your Google Ads account, try finding the data, and then if you get time, learn also, try reading if you have time. Otherwise, we can discuss, you can ask the question, and I'll just try to resolve the things. For now, thanks for all. Subscribe the channel, and let's meet again for the next lecture, where we will be discussing about settings, the campaign types, and few other things which is going to help you doing your first campaign, which will be very interesting. Thank you for all your time, and let's meet again. Thanks. Bye.